Lying is good.
You think lying is good?
Yeah.
Honesty is the best policy.
I feel honesty is overrated.
Wouldn't you feel cheated if someone's not being honest to you? Like,
No. Some lies make you feel better
it's been a good time. This is going to be our last episode.
because we've had enough.
Why to pursue our passion?
Yeah. Why to make such good content for you guys because nobody watching it. So
Yeah.
let's just stop. So this is the last episode and
Thanks
hope
for
you
watching.
enjoy it.
Guys, we're kidding. We're lying.
Were we? I was serious about it. Thought we are actually stopping.
No. We love doing this. We love being here for you. But what do you guys think about lying?
Lying is good.
You think lying is good?
Yeah, isn't it? By the way, my name is Pallavi.
And my name is Pallavi's friend, Ayati.
No, you're not my friend.
Sorry, Pallavi's enemy, Ayati.
Okay, and welcome to.
We're just saying.
So, lying is good. Don't you think lying is good?
I think lying is bad. Isn't that what's been taught to us like since we were kids?
But do you know that
Honesty is the best policy.
I feel honesty is overrated.
Honesty is overrated.
Overrated, yeah.
Big statement there. Why
So,
do you think that? Wouldn't you feel cheated if someone's not being honest to you? Like,
no, some lies make you feel better.
ooh, she's like a rose today, like looking pretty but like throwing thorns out.
So, imagine like this. I feel like world won't actually run properly if people don't lie.
Give me more examples. Convince
Okay.
me.
For example, okay, tiny little example. In a relationship, you say, "Oh, you have a very nice haircut." You know the guy looks shit, but that you are lying. But then that's
Okay.
making him happy,
Yeah.
right? Because you said that he's
Yeah.
looking good, correct?
Yeah.
Your friend makes a dinner for you.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is delicious.
That's
You're
what she
lying.
said when she came last time
No,
to my
that was
house.
actually good. I was
I can't trust her anymore.
no. See, these are lies making other person feel good, right? But it is a lie. The only difference here is that you need to know till what extent you're lying. There is a thin line, and often people cross that.
Okay. So you think it's like the intent behind lying, the intention behind lying
Yes.
should justify
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah.
So, like, basically, to protect the other person from disappointment, pain, or something, you should lie. Is that
Yeah, and also yourself.
Yeah. But isn't that like most people who cheat on other people also say that I don't want to hurt this person by telling them the truth. That's why I'm not gonna reveal the truth that I'm cheating on you.
They are doing that for their peace. This is controversial.
But I
No.
feel like there are two kinds of liars.
Okay.
First kind of liar is the person who is not confident in themselves, who doesn't think they are good enough. So they will lie to like make themselves look bigger than what they are. Like they will lie so that they can hide their insecurities. blah,
Fair
blah, blah.
enough.
Then there's the second kind of liar, which I feel is the person who thinks you're an idiot. So I will lie to you because I think you will just believe anything, so I'll just lie to you. I feel like the second kind of liar I have a problem with because he thinks he's better than everyone and he thinks that he can just say anything
ये
and get
पूरा
away with
सीधा
it.
ही कर दिया इसने सारे मेल he thinks he
I mean,
slash
he, she, they, them, whatever, they think that they are better than the other person. So I can just lie and get away with anything. I think I have a problem with that person who
But-
lies.
but there are very few people like that.
I think
Often,
most people are
everybody-
those who think that you're an idiot, so I'll just lie and get away with it. There are very
Really?
few people who lie because they think they are not good enough.
Yeah, I mean that's like being insecure and telling a lie, so that's okay.
Yeah. Have you ever lied to get out of a situation?
Oh, so many times. Like, for example, I believe all the girls would agree. They're going on a date and then they'll have their best friend set up. right?
Yeah.
I'd be like lying, somebody's calling. One time my best friend called, you're like, "Arey uncle mar gaye, uncle mar gaye," and then I had to
To
come
get out of a
yeah,
date.
to get up. So yeah, these are like fun lies. I feel like
Yeah.
there are a couple of lies which are cute lies, fun
Yeah.
lies, and it's okay to
Yeah.
lie.
I think
about
white
certain
lies are
things.
okay for sure. Like, say if you're like planning a surprise birthday party of your to
You're
your
still
friend.
lying about it. Right?
Yeah,
To a friend.
you're not going to reveal the truth because you know
Yeah.
like the outcome of it is going to be bigger than this small lie that you're saying, I guess. So it's so like, say if there is a kid, what are you going to tell them like about lying? Are you going to tell them lying is okay?
I will teach them the difference between
Hmm.
a good lie and a bad lie.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, because they will only understand
Hmm.
after they are a little sensible.
Yeah.
They would understand
Yeah.
what kind of a lie is a good lie, what is a bad lie. Everything has a good or bad, right?
Yeah.
So lying is also good because lying can save things,
Yeah.
save from you, I don't know, being in a mess,
Hmm.
and can hurt somebody and like ruin somebody else's life as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, just knowing the difference is important. So I
Yeah.
will teach my kids to lie
But smartly.
smartly. Yeah.
I think if you're lying, you kind of need to hold the responsibility of what the consequences might be after that. Say if it backfires, you need to hold yourself accountable. I guess that's fair.
Yeah, accountability
That's fair.
is very important in
Yeah.
lying.
Yeah.
Yes, there are a lot of people who lie and बोला नहीं ना मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने
Yeah.
किया ही नहीं.
Lie to
So
cover
now
up another lie. That's my problem with
Yes,
lying. Is
yes.
that if
It
you do
makes
one
you
lie, yeah, it doesn't stop after that. Like you
Hmm.
need to keep building more lies. And honestly, I run out of the creativity to do that. I cannot come up with more and more lies because I will forget what my first lie was. So
Yeah.
I won't have a record only of
You
what.
need to keep a track of your lies.
Yeah, like people who lie are actually really smart and have really good memory if you think about it.
Yeah, bro, I can't remember what I ate yesterday.
Exactly. It needs a lot of efforts, I guess. But I think one of the best scenarios that people lie a lot is in interviews, like job interviews.
Bro,
A
crazy
resume
lie.
is sometimes like a page full of lies only for a lot
Yeah.
of people.
And also, we all lie on Instagram. What do you mean on interviews? Everybody who's there on Instagram is lying about it. Is lying something. You're editing your picture. You're
Hmm.
changing a lot of things on there. Putting
Yeah,
out there. It's
filters
in a
and
way, it's
stuff.
a lie, right?
Yeah,
You're lying about your appearance. You're lying about the kind of individual you
Yeah.
are. Yeah, you're lying about your personality. So
sometimes, yeah. You know, it's like you're taking like a nice candid video of yourself for Instagram. It's never really candid. It's so planned.
it's all a lie.
You know, I recently took that shot where you put your phone inside your fridge and you open the fridge.
Yeah.
I look so stupid doing that because, like, I had to open the fridge. I had to put my phone inside the fridge. And then I had to close the fridge. And then I opened
my
door.
God.
And then the shot of me like opening the fridge and looking at my food was
crazy.
That is such a lie. That's obviously not a camera in my fridge.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Honestly.
I have a game for us.
Oh, interesting. Okay, let's go.
So
I like games.
we're gonna tell 2 lies and 1 truth, and you have to guess mine, and I'll guess yours. Okay? I'm gonna tell you 3 sentences.
Okay.
2 of them are lies, and 1 of them is the truth.
Okay.
Okay? Let me think. What was it? Okay. My first sentence is that I have gone scuba diving in Thailand.
Okay.
My second one is that I have been kidnapped. And my third one is that I can write sometimes with my left hand.
Okay.
So you have to guess which one is a lie and
Oh
which
my
one
God.
is a truth.
Such a difficult question. I feel like the first one is a lie.
So you think me going to Thailand doing scuba diving is a lie? Yeah, but you still have to guess 1 truth. There is 2 lies and 1 truth. Did I explain it wrong?
Yeah, I think you did.
Sorry guys, there's 2 lies and 1 truth.
Okay, so I think I'll tell the truth. I think you're being kidnapped. That's the truth.
Did I smile when I say that?
No, I'm
No,
just
was
too
that
smart.
cute?
Oh
You
my
cannot
God!
lie.
First, you tell me when have you been kidnapped?
That's another story for another podcast.
Oh my God!
I was a
yeah.
kid, but okay, yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah. For a very little moment, I was kidnapped in a shadi. But yeah, I came back. I'm here, guys. We'll
This
make
is not
another
planned. This is not
another.
planned at all.
Yeah, she
Like,
didn't know
I
anything about this.
literally didn't know anything about it.
Will you have any truths
I can
and
tell you
lies?
3 things, okay? I'll try to tell you. Oh my god, I didn't prepare for it. I forgot that
That's
we had
fine,
this
that's
question. Okay. First question. I've been in a street fight.
Okay.
Second question. I'm good at lying. Third question. I've been hurt in a relationship. By hurt, I mean I've been abused in a relationship. Let me make it a bit clear.
You've been abused in a relationship.
I'm good at lying. And the first question was?
So wait, 2 lies.
Yes.
2 lies in this.
Just like you said, right? There are 2 lies.
Shit.
What was the first question?
You said you've been in a street fight. I know
Yeah.
you've like beat someone recently, like on the street because they were not like letting you in. Is that the street fight?
No.
That's not considered a street fight.
No. That's
So-
proper fight.
I've been in a street fight is the lie. Or no. Wait. There's 2 lies.
No, you.
There's 2 lies, right?
Yeah,
So
there are 2 lies.
I've been in a street fight is a lie,
Okay.
and I've been abused, physically hurt in a relationship.
Why are you
I
making
want
that
to hope,
face?
I want to hope that it's a lie. I don't want that to be true, so I'm gonna say that's a lie.
So you said that I'm good at lying
Is not
is
the
not
lie.
a lie. Bro, this is like a puzzle, okay?
I think you're good at lying. Better than me, is what I mean.
Is not a lie. No, you got it all wrong, and I'm so confused right now. Okay, so what lies are here is I would say I'm not good at lying. Sorry. And the first question that I haven't been in a street fight. The one that you were mentioning is different. That is not a street fight. I
So
I
wait,
just
which
hit
one is the truth
the last one.
that you've been?
Yeah.
abused in? Okay, we're just like leaving our trauma out today for you guys.
Really? So yeah, that is not a lie.
You
But
are
yeah.
good at lying because I didn't believe that. So
Am I?
technically,
Am I?
no, it's fine.
No, actually, when it's a big lie, I get fumbled. Okay,
Ah,
I get red.
yeah.
But then when I know that chota
It's a
mota
small
kya hai,
lie, then
yeah,
it's-
I'm like ekdam full confidently I'll be like. So
Yeah.
partially you were right.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what to ask, so I just somehow asked something.
And she let out like the worst trauma possible.
Yeah, I guess.
But
Fun though.
fun.
Hmm.
This is what you get. You get reality
Yeah,
from
really.
us, even in an episode with lying. But
Jhoot mein bhi sach
have
bol
you ever felt bad when your parents lie to you?
Bro,
I feel
parents
so
lie. Her
defeated.
parents have told her that she looks like that Parle Ji girl.
When I was a
Look
kid,
at her face.
Where? I put my bachpan ka photo and they full on made me believe I am the Parle Ji girl, and I ate Parle Ji because I thought I was the Parle Ji girl. And this has been a generational lie because my grandmother told my mom that she's the Parle Ji girl when she was a kid. So now if I ever have a daughter,
You need to
obviously,
tell her.
yeah, it's gonna be a thing.
Parents are the biggest liars.
And the
But
other
it's
ones who
good.
are always teaching us like, not to
Oh,
lie.
don't lie, it's not good.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Have you ever been hurt by someone lying to you?
no. I don't let people hurt me by lying. Instead,
Yeah.
I'll lie.
Yeah.
No,
You'll do Uno reverse.
I do Uno
basically.
reverse. No, like I keep very less people around me, and I know
Who's-
people who are good
Yeah.
to me, who would not lie, who would not do certain things which will hurt me, who are close to me, they never lie. And random people who lie, I don't give a shit about them. So,
Yeah. Fair.
you have you
Fair.
been hurt by people? I think you have.
I can't remember honestly because my brain just forgets trauma a lot, cleanses. But like I know, like when my friends have been lied to, I get equally like a bit hurt. You know, like if my friends, someone, their friend or their partner are lying to them, and when they tell me that, I feel so disgusted And I feel like, again, like how I was saying, like that person who might be thinking they're smarter than you. So like if I find out like someone's lying to me, I feel like, fuck man, Ayati, I'm smarter than this. Like I need to be okay and like not believe that this is the truth. It's not a specific event where I've been lied to, but it's like small things that people do sometimes. Just feels a bit.
But then what if they are doing to probably protect themselves from something? Or what if they're doing, they're lying to you for some good reason? Even in that, they feel that it is good to lie to you at this point.
I don't know. I'm more like a let's just come clean kind of girl.
Wait. Um,
Yeah.
when you were dating Ambarish
Yeah.
earlier, didn't you lie to your parents that he's your brother?
I think
That was
I
intentional.
didn't lie to them that he's my brother. I just never stopped them from believing it. Do you understand?
That's still a lie.
Is
You're
that-
stopping somebody to believe the truth, which is a lie. So you are,
lie.
yeah.
Exactly, but I
So
don't.
that was
I
intentional.
didn't feel comfortable doing that.
Yeah,
I think I was
that is what I was
compromised.
mentioning earlier.
Yeah.
What if the person who is lying to you is probably insecure or like not comfortable about something, and they think that right now lying is a
Right now
good
is not the
decision.
time
Yes.
to discuss.
So
Maybe. I
No.
I just feel like try not to lie as much as possible. If you think in that situation it's needed, then lie,
yes. Okay. Fair enough.
which is a fair
Yeah.
bit
So
of
honesty
lying.
is not the best policy. Okay?
Yeah, honesty
do
is
that.
a subject to
I don't know,
circumstance
something.
policy.
Yeah, I guess. But yeah,
But-
lying is okay as long as you know what you're lying about. You're not hurting somebody. You know the difference. You know the thin line that you don't need to cross.
yeah.
You can lie to people. That's what I was telling earlier. If we don't lie, the world won't work. Like honestly, every day in a relationship, people will fight. Parents will fight about their kids dating or doing something. Your manager will be quite straightforward. Fuck you. You didn't do the project right. Fuck off. You'll be hurt. You'll find some other job. So just giving an example.
Yeah.
Lying is good.
I'm still afraid of
Still
lying.
processing.
But yeah, there is a considerable amount of lies that you can say, but
Yeah.
I still suck at it, and I still will be a very confrontational kind of person, I think. Liar,
That's it.
pants on fire. What are your favorite
Yeah, tell us
Lies.
the truth. And tell us what do you think about this.
lying? Because we're quite divided.
Yeah.
So you tell us, what do you think about lying?
Yeah. And that's pretty much it from us
Yes.
because our stop is here. So, ta-da!
Bye.